Hello and welcome to the session. 7.8 Manage Continuous Organizational Improvement, LO2. Be able to analyze opportunities for improvement to organizational activities. Are you prepared to uncover opportunities for organizational improvement? This video explores methods to enhance activities by identifying performance gaps and inefficiencies. Learn how structured analysis and stakeholder insights drive meaningful change. The first step in improvement is examining current activities. This includes operational processes and service delivery methods. Activities are assessed against objectives and performance standards. Without understanding current practice, efforts may be misdirected. This review identifies areas that fail to meet expectations. Performance data is crucial for spotting improvement opportunities. It includes quantitative and qualitative data. Data-driven analysis reduces assumptions and highlights unseen patterns. Prioritizing improvements based on evidence is more effective than opinion. This approach ensures changes are impactful and feasible. Improvement often begins with spotting inefficiencies. This includes task duplication and unclear responsibilities. Addressing these gaps boosts productivity and quality. Stakeholder needs must also be considered. Aligning improvements with these needs ensures meaningful change. Not all improvements are immediately achievable. Capability, skills, and resources must be considered. Realistic plans ensure sustainable improvements. Identifying gaps can highlight training opportunities. Prioritizing based on impact and feasibility is essential. Identifying improvement opportunities requires structured review and data use. It involves recognizing inefficiencies and considering stakeholder needs. By assessing capability and prioritizing effectively, organizations can target meaningful opportunities. This ensures improvements are evidence-based and aligned with goals. A reactive approach is avoided. Quality information is key to identifying improvement areas. Organizations use internal and external sources. Each offers unique insights and has limitations. Performance data and management information are primary sources. They provide measurable evidence of performance. Customer feedback reflects actual experiences and expectations. Employee feedback highlights operational challenges. Both sources are critical for identifying systemic problems. However, feedback requires careful analysis and triangulation. It must be balanced with other data sources. Audits provide structured evaluations of compliance and performance. Benchmarking compares performance against standards. These sources highlight gaps and realistic targets. They require careful adaptation to organizational context. Direct replication may not be suitable. Process mapping reveals inefficiencies and improvement opportunities. Risk assessments highlight vulnerabilities impacting quality. These sources support preventative improvements. They require time and expertise to conduct effectively. Negative events focus can limit innovation opportunities. No single source identifies all improvement opportunities. Combining multiple sources offers diverse perspectives. Performance data, feedback, audits, and process analysis each contribute uniquely. Organizations that critically assess these sources are better positioned. They can identify meaningful opportunities and prioritize effective change. Performance data provides a baseline for improvement. Analysis involves comparing performance against targets. Consistent underperformance highlights improvement areas. Data must be linked with operational context. Qualitative insights are essential for understanding causes. Feedback reveals service quality and user experience. Patterns indicate systemic issues needing improvement. Employee insight helps diagnose root causes. Staff identify process breakdowns and resource misalignment. Combining feedback with data provides comprehensive analysis. Audits and benchmarking highlight compliance risks. They expose performance shortfalls needing improvement. Process mapping identifies duplication and delays. Inefficiencies affect quality and cost simultaneously. Addressing these can lead to measurable improvements. Identified areas require prioritization based on impact. Assessing urgency and resource requirements is crucial. Alignment with objectives ensures focused efforts. Without prioritization, resources risk being spread too thinly. Critical problems may persist unaddressed. Identifying improvement areas requires integrating diverse information. Analyzing patterns and root causes directs resources effectively. Organizations can achieve sustainable performance improvements. Prioritizing ensures focused and achievable efforts. This approach leads to meaningful change. Evaluating change impact is essential for positive outcomes. It affects performance, people, and resources. Short-term disruption must be planned for. Positive impacts include improved efficiency and quality. Assessment ensures changes align with stakeholder expectations. Changes impact employees directly, requiring new skills. Assessing workload and morale is crucial. Service quality and stakeholder impact must be considered. Improvements enhance user experience, but may cause disruptions. Evaluating these impacts ensures meaningful benefits. Changes require investment in resources and technology. Financial assessment weighs costs against benefits. Some changes may increase risk or reduce compliance. Evaluating risk ensures improvements enhance control. Short-term disruption versus long-term benefit must be balanced. Evaluating change impact considers performance, well-being, and sustainability. Thorough assessment supports informed decisions. It reduces unintended consequences and increases lasting benefits. Organizations can ensure improvements align with goals. This leads to successful implementation. Evaluating changes involves assessing alignment with goals. Effectiveness in addressing root causes is crucial. Cost-benefit analysis ensures efficient resource use. Feasibility and capability determine implementation success. Risks and sustainability must be considered. In conclusion, analyzing opportunities for improvement to organizational activities is essential for supporting continuous improvement and enhanced performance. By reviewing processes, assessing outcomes, and using feedback and performance data, organizations can identify areas where improvements can be made. This analysis enables informed decision-making and the implementation of effective improvement strategies. Understanding how to analyze improvement opportunities helps organizations increase efficiency, quality, and overall effectiveness. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843 61688.